so this just showed up in the mail, and these are the SOUNDPEATS Space headphones. So SOUNDPEATS are known for making affordable gears, but the question here is, are this actually any good? I haven't opened them yet because I wanted to take you guys through the unboxing experience and my first impression about these headphones. So without any more delay, let's jump right into it. You know what? First things first, let's just talk about the packaging of this product. Because the box itself sets a tone, it is simple, modern, and it looks professional. Sliding it open, and there are the SOUNDPEATS Space looking like they are ready to make a statement. So inside of the box, the very first thing we see are the headphones. And from the first look and first touch, it actually looks really nice. I can literally feel the sturdiness and these headphones, and the earmuffs feels really soft too. But yeah, let's put that aside and move on. So once you remove the protective case, you are greeted with another box inside of the main box. But yeah, I feel this are where some of the smaller accessories are. So inside of the smaller box, you have this carrying case that kind of feels like a microfiber cloth, but thicker. So you have your usual paperwork, a charging cable, but then they added a 35 to 35mm audio jack cable for the headphones. For me, I'm gonna be rating this unboxing experience a 9.5 out of 10 because they basically gave you all the essential things you need for these headphones to work, from a carrying case to a 35mm audio jack cable and even a charging cable, which is really decent for its price range. We are actually off a really good start here because of its standard, but to be honest, what you're really here for, or what you actually really care about, is what can these headphones actually do? So let's talk about design and build quality. In terms of design, this headphone screams premium. From the matte finish to a metal accent, they feel like they belong to a much higher price range. And honestly, these hair cups are cushioned to perfection because they actually feel really soft on my ears. And when combined with the folding design and carrying bag, which makes them super convenient for on-the-go use, trust me, you can never go wrong with this. And the fit? Wait. Oh wow. They actually snug without being too tight on my ears, and it actually feels really comfortable too. I'm definitely convinced that these are actually made for long listening sessions. Here is where things start to get interesting because on paper, the SOUNDPEATS Space boasts of an hybrid active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and 40 hours of battery life, which is just insane when you think about it. Oh yeah, they are also rocking a Bluetooth 5.3 for an ultra stable connection. Paper specs are one thing, but what really matters is how they perform. So yeah, let's test them out. Okay, so I'm diving into some music now, just for the sake of testing these headphones, and wow, this headphones actually sound incredible. For the bass is a little bit punchy, but it's clean, and the mids and high are crystal clear. As for the active noise cancellation, during my testing, it was actually just pretty decent. It wasn't actually the best of the best, and it wasn't also bad. So after all this, what is the verdict so far? Honestly, the SOUNDPEATS Space has impressed me with its design, comfort, and sound quality, but I still got some serious testing to do, like battery life, mic quality, transparency, and so much more, just to let you guys know if it is worth every single penny. And all those information are going to be available on my upcoming full review on this product. If you're curious about how these are going to hold up in a real world scenario, let me know in the comments, and also let me know one thing you're looking forward to in the full review. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be the first to know once that video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.